Calling the 1-7 again on protesters who are protesting animal abuse here at Bideawee on 410 East 38th Street, and the NYPD has been called for a peaceful demonstration once again.
Well, good luck.
Thank you. So now,
And we are exercising our constitutional right to protest. We are doing absolutely nothing wrong.
Shuts down.
oh really?
Yeah, it's supplying it to the MRI. But we'll watch out for Gary, please.
Yeah, if you see Gary, punch him in the face. No.
If you were to actually see Gary, you would know he's emotionally disturbed. There's something very emotionally disturbed
That's
about
the
him.
guy that was here. Hold on to that, because
No
we're
problem.
here anyway. That's the guy that walks the dogs in the morning.
Yes.
No, I mean you.
And he kind of has a shuffle a little bit.
I'll keep an eye on him.
Okay.
Thank you.
Because we're here all the time.
Thank
We're
you.
your eyes and ears.
Thank you.
I guess it's me.
Thank you.
Hi, I organized the protest today.
Yeah, I know. We can't block the sidewalk.
We're not blocking the sidewalk. We won't block the sidewalk.
Just stay close to the building.
Okay, we are. Thank you.
What did you say?
Don't block the sidewalk.
Okay, we'll block the sidewalk. That's good. That guy knows who Gary is. Because there, we'll keep an eye. Maybe they can harass Gary a little.
Steve, who called the cops on us? Who was it that did it? This is the second time they called. It's perfectly within our rights to be here. Who called the cops on us in there? See, this is what they do. This is who you work for. They're covering up an animal abuser, and they're calling the cops for people who are peacefully demonstrating and within our constitutional rights to demonstrate. I really would like to know who thinks that we don't have a right to do this, and to call attention to the fact that they have an animal abuser on their staff. Good job calling the cops, Bideawee. The extent that they go to cover up for an animal abuser, calling the NYPD on us when we're perfectly within our rights. By the way, these are not the violent people. The violent person is employed by you, and his name is Gary. Gary's an animal abuser. You shouldn't retaliate against people who just call attention to the fact that you have an animal abuser on your staff. It's retaliatory.
Have a little respect for me and turn the camera off, all right? Thank you very much. All right, I'm not telling you what you're doing is wrong, so get the camera out of my face.
You have no problem protesting.
Right.
The only problem you're going to have if you start stepping in front of the door like you just did now.
All right. I wasn't blocking anybody.
I know, but
moving.
you're pacing back and forth. You can't really do that.
All right, we're trying to.
All right, but do me a favor. I did tell you to stand against the building. You can't do that. You have to stand at the curb.
All right, so I should tell me.
Yeah,
Here,
by the
we
curb.
don't stand here.
You
Yeah,
can't stand
just
against
don't
the building.
block
I was wrong
No,
previously.
thank you very much. I like it better.
All right? All right.
Do that,
This
you
is
can't
what they do when, they have an animal abuser and stuff, and this is not our first protest, and they call the cops.
That's fine. You're
right. I know that. But that's not hard.
As long as you don't block their entrance way and block people from going inside.
Can't do it without a permit.
I know my next to the cops. So I know all these other laws, but I'm just trying to tell you, this isn't our first protest. We always want to call. This is our right to protest.
I already acknowledged it.
Okay, not that time. But the cops are their own personal, bodyguards, and they use them, to protect the animals.
Who's Gary?
It's an animal abuse they have on staff. I used to volunteer here. And when I brought it to their attention, they can't take it. They can't take it. When I brought it to their attention, they have an animal abuser employed by them, they made me volunteer, retaliated.
that you have to follow, just like you don't, all right?
And I'll bring it to the attention of friends, too.
Thank you.
I have donated to her, yes. Yeah. I donated in the form of buying stuff from herself.
And now the cops are leaving. Apparently, Bideawee thinks that the cops are their own personal security guards, but we're within our rights. And people that you employ do not have a right to abuse animals, by the way, and you shouldn't be covering up for Gary.
Well, I think she has,